Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin with clean data, one continuous numeric column and no stray text. Once done, convert that range to a table or define a named range so formulas update automatically. Next, decide whether largest gets rank 1 or smallest does. That choice determines which formula arguments you pass. Now enter the first rank formula in the adjacent column so you can copy down. This first active step sets the pattern for every other cell. You type rank, EQ with the target cell and the locked range to get base ranks. Choose 0 for descending or 1 for ascending. Once you see ties, resolve them by augmenting the formula. Add countifs, range, and value or countifs, range, and value logic to shift duplicates consistently. Make sure to freeze the lookup range using $1.2, $100, or structured references, because relative shifts will break the pattern. When you finish by copying the formula down and formatting as needed. Convert to values if you require unchanging ranks. If you want percent rank, divide rank by count of the range or use a percentile function. Make sure to validate by sorting a copy of your data to confirm ranks match expected positions. If something goes wrong, inspect for hidden blanks, text-formatted numbers, or non-numeric characters. Correcting those will usually restore correct ranks immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.